In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the connection timed out error code 499 in Cloudflare. This error can be a bit tricky to handle, but don't worry, we'll go through it step by step to ensure your website is running smoothly and efficiently. First, we're going to check the performance of your server. It's important to reduce page load times and optimize slow database queries. This means looking into any elements on your site that are taking too long to load. One great tip here is to make use of database indexing or caching mechanisms, which can significantly improve your load times. Also, make sure the server has sufficient CPU and memory resources. If your server is struggling due to a lack of resources, it might be time to consider an upgrade or scaling your server in order to cope with the traffic demand. Next, we'll review your application logs. These logs can provide insight into what's causing the error. Specifically, you'll want to look for requests that are taking a long time to complete. Long processing times might be a sign that your server is overburdened or that there's an issue with the server configuration. By identifying these requests, you can begin to address the root of the issue. After inspecting the logs, it's vital to check network connectivity. You want to ensure there are no network issues between your users and your server. This involves checking if your internet service provider or any intermediary networks are causing disruptions. Sometimes, geographical distance or intermediary hops between the client and your server could introduce latency, so be sure to analyze network routes if necessary. Moving on, we're going to optimize long-running requests. If certain tasks on your server take too long, consider breaking them into smaller background jobs where possible. For instance, instead of processing a large dataset in one go, divide it into smaller chunks that your system can handle more efficiently. This will not only improve your server's responsiveness, but also prevent timeouts. Our last focus is monitoring client timeouts. This means reviewing browser, application, or API timeout settings. A common pitfall could be that the timeout settings are set too low. Adjusting these settings could provide more time for requests to complete, thereby reducing the chances of encountering a timeout scenario. Remember, consistently monitoring and adjusting these elements can make a significant impact on your site's reliability and performance. By proactively managing server resources, application performance, network connectivity, and timeout settings, you can effectively work around issues like error code 499 and keep your users happy with a seamless experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech content.